A warm good evening, everyone. It's a great Sunday today. It's the fourth day of the International E-Conclave. Very interesting day because on the last 4 days we have been, since the last 3 days we have been speaking about a lot of things about pharmacotherapy related to tobacco cessation. So because now we are moving towards the panel discussion.
And let's have those brief but very critical remarks, gems of wisdom, experience, advice from a panel that I think I'm more than privileged to moderate. And now we have one of my again longtime friends, Dr. Behra, a pulmonologist and the director of the Tuberculosis and Chest Institute in Delhi in the past. Dr. Behra, sir, are you here?
Yes, sir, I am there.
Great, brother. How nice to see you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Uh, Thank you, Dr. Desai. And I think at the very outset, I am thankful to the organizers for involving the Indian Chest Society in this important conclave. Sir, I will just focus on an area which is given less attention. That is the source control. We talked about everything about science, but I think the one aspect is the political and economy, which I think we must raise our voice. The point is we are talking so much. What about then? Why these things are getting available at the first place? We make the things available in the country, and then we discuss, fight, and then go on doing things. So I understand, sir. It is a very tricky area to why the politicians or the administrators or the governments they allow fast at the first place. But again, we know there are so many things attached to it. It attaches the politics, it attaches the economics, the taxes, and then the farmers. So many issues. But I think that should be one area. Although the government is having the legislation, but my first question is why, after all, you give these things available to the public. I think this is some thought is to be given to that area. Then my second point is now coming to as a profession, being a pulmonologist, I think we see enough of that. And I'm sure as many of my earlier colleagues have told, I think every visit, the patient, whatever patient he is or whatever, specialty sees the patient first. So one of the important things is to ask about the history of smoking. That is what we have been teaching, and that is a part of our teaching. I think no student passes through without telling us the history of smoking. And then it is just not the getting the history of smoking, also to follow that up, the 5 A's and 5 R's we all know of. And then as our society, Indian Chest Society as a whole, we have got a public forum, and through that we propagate the issue of the various issues related to smoking as we discussed. And the last, but not the least, I should say the various areas. I think the additional DG has already told about the tobacco, TB and the tobacco. This is a very important area as part of the medical colleges. That was our consistent demand to the program that yes, so this is an important component like TB, diabetes, TB, HIV, and now TB, tobacco is a very important component. So also as part of the NCDC, non-communicable disease control program, which also contains that. So this is one of the important components. So that should be propagated very sincerely. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. I forgot to mention, my apologies, that you're also the president of the Indian Chest Society.